Good morning, everybody. Today I started with uh, uh, introducing the new restaurant. It's Krystal in 1576 Montgomery Highway, Hoover. Today is a rainy weekday. Um, it's a little bit busy, but uh, as it's quite in restaurants. So what's Krystal give? I mean, I'm having as a breakfast. They have 3 egg breakfast plate combos. They have their scrambled breakfast bowls, and since I started this, so everybody having their orders for Krystals combos. Uh, Bacon cheese Krystals. Usually they are ordering, most popular is 12 Krystals, uh, sackfuls plus the ices. They have Coke, wild cherry, and blue raspberry ices slashes, and they have sometimes offered with $7.99 for all you can eat Krystals. Try it, guys. And it's on Montgomery Highway 31, Hoover. And have a very good morning.